Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at something really exciting, the brand new Aputure Storm 80C. Aputure is known for pushing the boundaries in lighting, and this tiny powerhouse might just be the new best friend for color accurate lighting on the go. Inside the box, we get the Storm 80C lamp head with the yoke, a mini Pro-Lock hyper reflector, a mini lantern diffuser, a projector cover, the AC power adapter, and the soft carrying case. First impressions? It feels premium but lightweight, about 1.3 kilograms with the yoke. And the design is super clean, perfect for travel setup or small studios rig. What makes the Storm 80C so special? First, it's built around the Aputure Blair CG Light engine. That means you're getting 7 color LEDs. The blue, lime, amber, indigo, red, cyan, and green, which cover over 90% of Rec 2020 color space. In simple terms, that colors are not just good, they are cinema grade. It also offers crazy wide color temperature range from 1800 Kelvin all the way to 20,000 Kelvin with a green magenta adjustment built in. So whether you are lighting a cold winter scene or just cozy indoor setting, you're covered. Even though it's just 80 watts, it's surprisingly powerful, hitting over 20,000 lux at 1 meter with the included hyper reflector that more than enough punch for interviews, portraits, or creative shoots, especially when you need beautiful colors without huge, heavy lights. Control is super flexible too. You can adjust everything directly to the unit, but also wirelessly using the Sidus Link app or even through DMX or CRMX setups if you are working on a professional set. So after using it for a bit, here's what I love. Incredibly color accuracy, super compact and lightweight, tons of control options, weather resistant build. As for downsides, the power isn't on the level something like 600C, but honestly, for its size, it's more than enough for the most setups. And because it uses a mini Pro-Lock mount, you'll need the adapter if you want to use a standard Bowens modifiers. If you are looking for a powerful, colorful, and portable LED lights for filmmaking, content creation, or photography, the Aputure Storm 80C is seriously impressive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you add the Storm 80C to your kit? If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.